This Daignault Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Daignault-Ives. Move right into this attractive home. Huge 12 by 32 workshop with AC plus another 14 by 16 building for your DIY projects. House has wood plank tile floors throughout with tile in the kitchen and dining area. Freshly painted inside. Great room layout with an additional flex space, great for an office or play area for the kids. Oak kitchen with black appliances. Large laundry room too. Gorgeous custom barn doors for all of the bedroom closets. Windows have been updated, plus the roof is 5 years old and AC only 6 years old. Private backyard backs up to nature trail, and the spacious screened patio just invites you to come have a cup of coffee and relax. Landscaping looks great, and there's a sprinkler system on reclaimed water. Fully fenced yard with double gates on both sides, so plenty of room for your toys. For more information, review the details below or contact Daignault-Ives at 321-453-2151.